Good morning. I've hiked just a little under 3 miles. And I had to stop at this view because they said it's worth it. Yeah, look at that. So, I'm pretty tired. The bugs are pretty bad, so when I get into town tomorrow, I'm getting myself a bug net. As we are speaking, there's bugs literally crawling on my, maybe you can hear them, but there's bugs literally crawling on my phone right now. So, and no matter how many times I swat this around, the bugs seem not to care. So I gotta get myself a bug net because, oh gosh, the bugs know exactly where your ears are. They just kind of buzz right in here. So I don't know if a bug net will help with that, but at least a bug net will kind of keep my sanity, knowing that they're not crawling on me. And the mosquitoes are pretty bad too. And I spray with bug spray, but I just sweat it off, and it's, oh gosh, it's insane. But yeah, that's summertime too. So you're not going to escape that one, but it's a nice view, and the breeze feels really good up here. There's a shelter just a little bit over 5 miles from here, and I plan to stop there for lunch and do my my long break in the afternoon time because it's going to get hot. So that's what I plan on doing, and hopefully I can get you some footage today. So yeah, it's good. It's hopefully going to continue to be a good day. Bye for now. Let me have the trail talk to you. Maryland's flat. Yes. No one mentions the rocks. How come no one mentions things? Like, yeah, no one mentions, the obvious. My feet feel like hamburger meat. Feel like ground beef. Do they just ignore the fact that for 6 miles you're constantly looking down? Oh boy.
I'll see you down there.
Alright, see ya. They had to sneak this PUD in Maryland. Did they find the one hill in Maryland for us to do? They couldn't give us a break. And it's so humid. It just thunderstormed. It wasn't a bad thunderstorm, just like an evening or late afternoon thunderstorm. And now it's hard to breathe. And the green tunnel's kind of claustrophobic in a way. But they had to sneak this PUD in. I'm dripping. I'm soaked, and I don't know what's wet from the rain or wet from sweat at this point. I had 0.7, and I've been stopping every 0.1 miles just to catch a break, because the shelter is the water source is a mile away downhill, round trip. So I had to get my water for tonight and tomorrow morning down at the base of the hill. So I have like an extra, 2 pounds of water. So that's lovely. Anyways, gotta get to the shelter. Bye. Well, this is kind of spooky. I'm by myself. No one's here. Nobody's tenting. No, there's no one here so far. So, yeah. It's a very, very nice shelter. If I am the only person here, then I will stay in the shelter. And just like sleep in my liner for bugs. But I hope somebody else shows up. If they want the shelter, they can have it. I'll tent. But if I'm by myself, I'll sleep in the shelter. But yeah, kind of creepy. I really hope somebody shows up though. Anyways, I'm starving.